Hi, this is Pinky, and I have an announcement to share with you. Pinky Jackson Organizing Consultants has pledged to offer a number of free virtual organizing sessions to individuals, families, and small business owners who need immediate assistance managing the organizational and productivity challenges of this unprecedented time. If you need to decrease the stress or increase the productivity so that you can handle working from home, homeschooling, having multiple people at home during the same time, or being at home much more than you're accustomed to, we can help you. Our virtual organizing sessions are offered via Zoom, Google Duo, a telephone call, texting, or email. Whichever one is easiest for you is what we want to do. To schedule a time for us to gift you with this free virtual organizing session, simply go to our website, pinkyjackson.com, and on the About Us page, select a time that works best for us to connect with you and offer you expert advice, fast results, and zero judgment. Please do share this post with those you know and love so that together we can make a difference. Thank you, bless you, be safe, be well.